This t-shirt is one of my favorite t-shirts I've reviewed so far in this series, and you'll see why right now. What's up, team, and welcome back to Guy Maverick. We are back with my perfect heavyweight t-shirt series, where I take heavyweight t-shirts from popular brands, review them, and compare them across each episode. Last week, we reviewed the Amazon.com 7.8 ounce Funny World branded heavyweight t-shirt. Now on paper, this t-shirt looked like every other t-shirt we reviewed before, but when we got our hands on it, there was one unique defining trait that set it apart from its competition. If you missed that review, go to the channel, check out that review and the past reviews we've done in this series. Subscribe so you don't miss any future videos we make in this series, and check out GuyMaverick.com if you want more information regarding these reviews and regarding these products. This week, we're taking a look at a heavyweight t-shirt from Express. I know you're all anxious to get to the review, so without further ado, let's get to it. And this is the Express Heavyweight 100% Cotton t-shirt. As you can tell, I got it in a different color than I've got in the past because, simply, I didn't want 40 different white t-shirts. Now I got this shirt at the Express Factory Outlet in California. It's a 5.3 ounce 100% cotton t-shirt. I got it in the crew neck in black. Alright, let me show you guys some angles. Alright, so first impressions. This t-shirt fits really well. One of the things you guys know I don't like about some of the other t-shirts is the sleeves. Check this out. These sleeves right here, still some fabric, but not a lot of fabric at all. They're slim. They're a slim sleeve. This chest feels great. Body feels fantastic. Length, overall, it's a fantastic shirt. Now, let me tell you guys something. This is actually a large. Yes, I had to pick up a large because when I tried on the medium, it was way too tight. This shirt is indefinitely a slim fit style t-shirt. So if you're thinking about getting this t-shirt and you're thinking about washing it like a normal t-shirt, you want to size up. When I sized up, when I washed it, it shrunk in all the right areas.
And look at me now.
Now this t-shirt is a lighter weight t-shirt by comparison to the other t-shirts we've had in this series so far. Now even though it does have a lighter weight, it still feels substantial and like it's not going to show off all your imperfections like some of the other t-shirts you've seen in the stores. Now this t-shirt gives the Hanes Beefy Tee a run for its money. Of course, let me show you guys some close-ups. Here's the collar. It's a smaller bit of a collar. You have this shoulder seam, so here's where my shoulder hits. This is actually quite a bit above the start of the curvature of my shoulder. You have the sleeves. Look at these sleeves. Almost straight down, almost completely slim. For someone that's more muscular, it'll look great on them, 100%. Check out this chest, right? Outlines my chest, makes me look like I have some muscle. Check out the body, not too tight, not too short. This is where my belt hits. This is where the end of the garment hits. Comparing this tee to the Funny World, Gildan, and Hanes Beefy Tee that we saw in the past, I would say this is a huge contender for the perfect heavyweight t-shirt series. It's a heavier weight, albeit not as heavier a weight as those t-shirts were and as I'm looking for, but it's still, like I said, substantial. The fit is phenomenal if you size up. It feels great. I love this t-shirt, man. I love wearing it. It makes me feel good. How does it look? At the store, I tried on the medium and it was skin tight. That thing made me feel like a sausage. So I concluded that this was indeed a slim fitting t-shirt. I got the large. I tried it on. It felt great. I saw some parts like the sleeves and the body that were a little bit longer, but I thought if I shrunk it and washed it in the same wash and dry cycle or similar to the other t-shirts, it would shrink in all the right areas. hopefully. So I washed it. So I dried it in the washer and dryer one time, and it did shrink. It shrank in the sleeves, it shrank in the body, it shrank exactly where I wanted it to shrink. No t-shirt shrinks where I want it to shrink. This was a miracle, a miracle. Suffice to say, this is one of my favorite t-shirts so far in the Perfect Heavyweight t-shirt series. The fit is fantastic once you know what your size is. The weight, though not as weighty as I would like, still feels substantial, still feels weighty, still gives you that blockier appearance, and still hides all those imperfections like my mole. Oh, I'm loving these sleeves, man. As you know, in the past entries in this series, the sleeves have always been one of my big gripes with all those t-shirts. The reason being skinny like me, having sleeves that are oversized make you look skinnier than you really are. So a sleeve like this that's tailored to your body or to my body makes me look less skinny, albeit maybe even makes me look a little muscular. Alright, enough of me being all conceited. Thanks for watching my review of the Express 100% Cotton Heavyweight t-shirt. You can find more reviews in this series on the channel and on GuyMaverick.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at ThatGuyMaverick. Leave a comment below if you guys have questions, comments, concerns. Direct message me on social media, on YouTube. I'll try to answer them as fast and as best as I can. And don't forget, well done is better than well said. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.